And yeah, so Scarf Club, $12 a month. You get a custom, well, not a custom scarf. You get a scarf that is only available to Scarf Club members, and it ships around the first of every month. So this is the November scarf. Beautiful festive colors. The camera doesn't do it any justice for it. It is beautiful, as I would expect it. I love getting new scarves every month. And it will actually pair really well with the bonnet, the custom bonnet that Alicia made for me last month. I didn't ask for it. She's just a very thoughtful, I'm not trying to get emotional on video, so I'll leave it at that. She is a very kind and sincere person, and she's very thoughtful. So she actually last month she made me a custom bonnet for MS awareness, and also it has little dog paws on it. I'll show it to you guys. The color is beautiful. And what I love about this bonnet especially, this would be great for a Christmas present for somebody. Having a custom bonnet made for them. And she has that availability on her website where you can come up with the design, and most of the time she could make something that's custom for you. And so this custom scarf, it has, I don't know why I keep saying scarf. These custom bonnets, this custom bonnet has the orange ribbons for MS awareness, and then it has the little dog paws, which is for my dog. So yeah, just very thoughtful. So just wanted to show you guys that one, and then let's get into some other goodies that I got in my package this month. So there is a new collection that she just came out with for, I don't know if this is fall or winter, but it's beautiful. I couldn't resist not getting it. Let's open it up. And what I love about the best hair kits that she has, it comes with a bonnet, it comes with a scrunchie, it comes with a bonnet, and I love this bonnet. Camera doesn't really do any justice for it. And in the inside, it's this beautiful mauve color. And then the scarf that goes with this one is also that pretty rich mauve color scarf. So that is one of the hair kits that I got. And for the next one, I thought I got a hair kit, but I guess I didn't. I just got the bonnet on this one, which is fine. Hold please. Need to get my scissors to cut this open. This one, I just got the bonnet on this one. And each of the bonnets come with a custom scrunchie, matching scrunchie. Here's the other one I got. Inside is this beautiful teal color. Let me see if I can bring it a little bit closer and you guys can see the detail. But look, it's a little cat with its, looks like it has lashes on, but it's so pretty. So that is the other one I got. And then I got 2 pillowcases, which I'm not gonna open these up. You guys know what pillowcases are. What I like about hers though, they are satin and they come with a zipper. A lot of pillowcases, the satin ones, like if you buy the ones that are off of Amazon or something like that, a lot of them don't have the zipper. And so I like hers because they have the zipper, which means I know pillowcase is not coming off in the middle of the night. And so I double protection my hair. I use a scarf. Well, I guess it's triple protection. I use a scarf, I use a bonnet, and then I also use a satin pillowcase. And the satin pillowcase is great because if for some reason my bonnet falls off, which that rarely happens, but if it does, my hair is not going to suffer too much because I then have the satin pillowcase that will prevent my hair from frizzing. If you use like a regular cotton pillowcase, and if you've ever had your bonnet come off in the middle of the night with those, you know you wake up and your hair is just a mess. So I love these. So I got 2 pillowcases as well. So so I just wanted to jump on here and share that with you guys. I am getting ready to make myself some coffee. I got a really late start today, which I guess it's not really a late start considering I woke up at 4 this morning and then I didn't go back to sleep until 7, but yeah, I am functioning on fumes right now. So I am gonna go make myself a cup of coffee and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. So one more thing, if you guys want to order something for Christmas, they are wonderful Christmas gifts to, having hair protection, because every woman needs it. Even guys, even some guys with long hair, they could use a bonnet. But anyway, everything is handmade, which I love, and you can tell by the quality of each of the bonnets. So if you are looking for a Christmas present for somebody, it's a good time to place your orders now. Generally, orders take 2 weeks, 14 days from the time you order to the time that you receive it, and it's because everything is handmade. So as you can imagine, Christmas is coming up, the holidays are coming up, they're going to be swamped. So if you want something now that you have in mind for somebody for the holidays, now is a good time to place your order and to get them in order to have the bonnets in time for the holiday, for Christmas. They also have some that are ready to ship orders, and those don't take as long. But generally, most of the bonnets that are on her website are made to order. So just wanted to share that too, in case you guys were looking for a good Christmas present. I bought my nieces some last year and they love them. So anyway, just wanted to share that tidbit, and I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.